Hi, this is Joël Meyer. I will show you how to create a monkey drum using a camembert cheese box. Take a wooden dowel of 3/8 of an inch or 7 to 8 millimeters in diameter. Cut it to about 10 inches or 25 centimeters long. Take a pair of sharp scissors and make a hole on the side of the box through the two layers of the box. The wood of the box is very fragile, so proceed slowly. The wooden dowel must be able to enter through the hole of the box. If necessary, enlarge the hole by cutting with small pointed scissors. Take a wine cork and cut it in half. Make a hole in one of the halves of the cork to be able to fit the wooden dowel into it. Open the camembert box and insert the wooden dowel through the hole in the bottom of the box. Put the cork on the end of the dowel. Put hot glue on the end of the cork and glue it on the inside of the box opposite the hole. The cork will be used to anchor the wooden dowel later. Remove the wooden dowel for the moment. Now paint the box and the wooden dowel. Start by painting the box and the dowel in white to have a base coat, because some colors are transparent and would let the label of the box pass through the paint. Now choose your favorite colors to paint your monkey drum. I chose to paint the sides of the box and the dowel red. If necessary, put several coats of paint. Then I painted the top and bottom of the box in off-white as if to represent the skin of a drum. When the paint is dry, you can add a coat of acrylic varnish to have a more beautiful finish. Make a small hole on each side of the lid of the camembert box at right angles to the hole for the dowel. Take 2 beads and a string. Cut 2 pieces of string. Tie the beads to one end of each string. Insert a string into one of the holes in the lid of the box, making sure that the piece of string with the bead has the right length for the bead to reach the center of the drum. Glue the string in place inside the lid with the glue gun. Do the same for the other side. For the next step, you will have to work quickly because hot glue cools quickly. Put hot glue in the hollow of the cork. Replace the cover of the box on the bottom of the box, making sure that the holes to let the dowel through are aligned. Pass the dowel through the hole and press the dowel into the hole in the cork. Let it cool down. Finally, you can decorate the side of the box with ribbon to add a little color. Have fun with your monkey drum! To print the document with the illustrated instructions, click on the link below the video and visit the Animapade's website where you will find hundreds of fun and educational projects. See you soon!